boss. We now know where he lives.
Are you serious?
Yes, boss.
Certain.
Confirm.
Wait for me.
Alright, boss.
Come meet my baby. He just come in. Brother. What is it? What is it? What happened?
Damn it.
No. But what is it? That's my baby. That's my fiancé. Don't do that. Stop.
Step away. Let me shoot this bastard. Now, Peter can Fiona. Get out.
You cannot shoot him. You have to shoot me first.
Step away.
Put that gun down. Brother, please.
If you say I'll shoot you first, then I'll shoot you first. Step away.
You kill your sister.
Step away. Let me kill this bastard.
Put the gun down.
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? What the fuck do you think you're going?
Put the gun down.
Stay right there. You are not leaving this compound. Don't move.
Please. Calm down.
Get out. Let me shoot this bastard.
Please. Calm down.
What is it?
Calm down. Biko. Calm down. Biko.
Count of 3. I'm going to shoot. 2. 3.
What's wrong with you? Have you lost it, Alames?
What is this?
My boy. Well, for purposes of introduction, I am Chief Omego 1 Norum Community. And it may please you to know that I single-handedly made this community to be one of the most prominent communities in this vicinity. So I, Chief Omego 1, will not have you to come and reap where you did not sow.
Did you hear that? Funny man. Very funny man. Well, just in case you do not know who I am, I will solemnly reintroduce myself. I am Obichiluzo 1 Majakata, aka Indonesian Buddha. I'm a man of a few words. I will pretend all of this never happened. But just in case, I'll tell you this. The very next time you perform such a elementary drama with the aim to ruin my effort to put my beautiful community on the map, I promise you will be the very last. You can take that to the bank. Let's go, boys.
Just like that. You're working out on me?
My son, you are highly welcome. We are so happy that we see you back in this community.
Thank you very much, You
are welcome.
Thank you very much, my elders.
You're welcome.
Before we proceed, I have something for you.
Myself? Oshie.
Well, no, that is a check of 5 million naira for your cola nuts.
Oshie. Oshie.
For you.
Oh no.
5 million naira. My son, you are blessed already. Oh, the gods has blessed you.
He said.
Hey!
Thank you very much.
Well,
the others are not left out. Yeah. That's a check of 2 million naira. 1 million naira each for.
Hey!
1 million naira. We are grateful. 1 million naira.
Ugegbe.
1 million naira.
Well, my elders, without wasting much of your time,
Yeah.
I'd like to go straight to the reason I'm here.
Good.
You all know I'm a very principled man. You all know my father. And you all know that I am a son of the soil.
Good.
And there is nowhere it is written that one man, just one man, will have all the money in the world in one community.
Which is true.
Especially in a community like this, Urum Kingdom.
Good.
I believe you all understand my point. Because I am not a man who talks too much.
Obviously.
So for that very reason, I am done talking.
Yes.
My name is Obichiluzo One Jakarta, aka the Asian Bugger. Let my people know that the new Messiah is here in Urum Kingdom. On that note, I shall take my leave. Peace.
We are grateful.
No! Dika Jajemba. Abunwoke. Hey! Okay. Unu kwa iwe mpanaka ibe. Okwu igbudu. Okwu igbudu.
Oh no. Oh no. If you tell me you do not understand what that young man is saying, then I'm afraid.
Look at
You're
this
in
man.
trouble. Okay.
I understood everything loud and clear. What are you talking about?
In that case, this is the dawn of a new era in Urum Kingdom.
Oye mali nka ho. Okwa ni igbudu ka mpanaka iwe.
Hey!
Then send me your account. I will instruct my accountant to make the money available for you.
It's alright.
Good day, sir. Thank you.
Well, I got it from a very reliable source that you are the best engineer in the state.
Very well, sir.
Good. Now you see, engineer, it is very demeaning and degrading that a man of my caliber will come from a town where people still live in modern houses. Isn't that an insult?
Honestly, sir.
My boys have counted 27 mud houses in this community. Now I want them demolished while you reconstruct the defeated structure for the occupants. Whether living in it or not, dead or alive. Now you see, engineer, I will ask you this one time. Are you sure you are ready to take this up? Or shall I just call in the Chinese company?
No, sir. We will deliver. Sir, I assure you of a befitting and quality structure as you demand. We will deliver, sir.
I am Obichiluzo One Najakata, aka the Asian Baka. Going contrary to our agreement will attract very deadly penalties. Now I ask you again, are you sure you can handle this?
I promise you, sir. I will handle it, sir.
Very well then. I'll have my boys bring in the papers for you to sign.
There are men in this community who has built strong reputation for themselves. And I am one of that man that has given so much for my community. And you know it. I cannot see how a small boy from nowhere will just come and challenge me, Omega 1. I cannot allow that to happen. It's unacceptable. He cannot just rub off all the reputations that I have built. No.
Chief Omega, why are you sounding like you are no more relevant in this community? Ubiora is just like your son. And he's from this community. And as well as a philanthropist. We are not here for power tussle. You are still very relevant to us, Chief.
That boy moves around, buying the hearts of people with pantry and meager gifts he gives to them, including you.
My own self,
yes. You Onowu, you have forgotten so soon how I single-handedly gave scholarships to everybody in this community. And your two sons were beneficiaries of that gesture. And you are here supporting him. Oh no, I cannot take it. I cannot allow that boy rub off mud on my face. I cannot take it. Better warn him. Better call him to order.
Omega, are you talking to me like that? My God. Look at him. Look at him talking about a scholarship. And he has forgotten how many lands he has collected from me. And even others. Even the widows. Before he could be able to help anybody. Oh my God, I'm disappointed. Well, we will see. We see. Okay. Nkechi.
The boy doesn't know where he is. He doesn't know that he's treading on a dangerous ground. With a flip of the hands, I can make him disappear from the surface of this earth.
It's a huge slap on our face. How can he build and furnish house for the villagers? What is he trying to prove? Is he mad? What is he trying to portray?
The youth and the women are now chanting his name as if he's the messiah of this community. Even the elders have joined them.
Obiora. He wants to rubbish the reputation that I have built over these years. But I won't let him. I will not. Honey, I will take him off. Yes, that is what I will do.
Yeah.
Chief, you have to do something about it before he tarnishes and rubbish your good name. He cannot be going around in this community behaving as if he's a philanthropist of this community. A small boy like that, because he has money. You have to do something, Chief.
Don't bother yourself, huh? We run this town, okay? He is just a newcomer. He just landed. Don't worry yourself, I know what to do.
Trust me.
Good.
I was on my way to your house. Thank God I met you here. Warn your nephew, Obiora, or whatever he calls himself, to desist and not to tread on my paths. Else, I will show him what fire does with a stubborn rat.
Chief Omego, Obiora is just a small boy. After all, he did the same thing when he was his age. He's only trying to help his people.
Small boy, you say?
Yes.
Anyway, tell him to stop treading on my paths. Else, I will send him back to where he's coming from. Remember, a stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave. Ndoka, I will not warn you again. I will not warn you again.
So someone can actually be angry for another man's sweat. Chief Omega, if you are angry, compete with him and build mansions for the villagers. Nonsense.
Vera, I am done with men. And when I say I am done, I am done. Those species are evil.
Come on, Ada, don't say that. Just because you have a fair relationship doesn't mean you start the whole evil. Hey, tune it down a little bit. No one is perfect. Besides, Jidena did not break up with you. He just went into thin air.
Did I hear you say thin air? So tell me, how do you define someone who you assisted to travel outside the country to make money? And all of a sudden, he stops calling you, he stops picking your call, nor calling you back. And wow, news drops on your table that he is married to a South African lady. See, there, I do not want to talk about this guy anymore. He is bad news. Okay?
Adam, as far as I'm concerned, Jidena is still your man. How can you even believe such a thing without hearing from him? Maybe he's facing one or two problems that retreated him from getting to you. Come on, Ada, think.
Listen, Ada, I am done thinking. And I'm not going to accept the notion. You know why? Jidena is a legitimate businessman that deals on fabrics. So there is no way he would have gotten himself into any form of trouble. So it's outlined.
Boss, you can't just sit here in your office as your base.
I am not arguing things. I saw the pictures. I have facts. Unavoidable facts. See, I don't even know why I'm seated in my office and discussing Jidena. He's not worth it. Please, let's do something else. Meanwhile, what do I offer you?
Ada, listen, let me tell you. Jidena is still...
Sis, Vera, you need to stop now. What? Enough of this Jidena guy. Jidena this, Jidena... Please, I'm done. I don't want to hear his name in this office anymore. Please.
So, Uncle, what you're telling me is that one called Chief Omego came to you to report me, Obichiluzo One, na Jakarta, aka the Asian bugger. Eh? I'll deal with him.
It hasn't gotten to that. Chief Omego is a highly respected personality in this our community. He might hurt you. That man has connections.
Uncle, you need to look at your face when you see these things. You look very funny. What man are you talking about? Which man? Is it not the Omego you used to know back in the days?
Yes.
Well, Uncle, things have changed. Huh? He's a poor man. I put it to you that he's a poor man. What has he seen? What has he done? What has Chief Omego done? Nothing. Has he ever handled an international transaction? Huh? He's here. He's never left the four walls of this village. He's deceiving you people. He knows nothing. He knows no one. Trust me when I tell you. Do you know who I am? Obichiluzo One na Jakarta, aka the Asian bugger. Do you know the cities I have conquered? Do you know what I've done? Uncle, this thing is making me talk too much. I don't like to talk too much. And you want to make me remember some things I have forgotten. I don't want to remember them. Huh? Just forget about this. I will deal with that, man, I promise you. But for the meantime, please enjoy your drink. Huh?
I have said my own.
Uncle, stop talking about him. I just said it. Okay. Enjoy your drink. Forget about him. Let me handle my problem. Connections, my foot. I will teach him a deadly lesson. I'm a very dangerous man. Where was he when Bin Laden was to stop him? Huh? He's a small boy. Enjoy yourself, Uncle.
Have you lost your respect and regard for me? Have you no fear of the ruthless Obichiluzo One na Jakarta, aka the Asian bugger, the most wanted man na Paki, Brazil, Colombia, even Queen Eliza wants my head.
What? Nonsense.
Oh, come on. I know you're afraid, but do not worry. For the fact that you are from this community, I will not bite you. But be lenient. I got the message you sent from my uncle. Tiger! Now that is a blank check. Write any amount you want. Because I, Obichiluzo One, Nachakata, aka the Asian Bugger, will pay.
You must be mad. You must be mad. You must be out of your senses for saying that to me. That means you don't know Chief Omego One Nuru. I am not moved by this pantry sum. Take that to your thick skull.
I see you're not willing to cooperate. It's not willing to cooperate. For that very reason, I want the land you took from my parents. I want to build factory for this beautiful community. The next factory is going to be on it. So it's either you have my property ready or you be ready for me.
Obiora.
That is my name.
Obiora.
That is my name.
There is this adage that when a little boy speaks, you evaluate the level of his intelligence. Obiora, I saw you at your birth. I was there when your father was in college. You seem to forget so soon. That means your brain is shallow. Very, very shallow. You're talking about land. Piece of land your late parents willingly gave to me for exchange of money. That's same money that saw you through university. Same money that sent you abroad. That is the land you're talking about. You want to build in that land, eh? Go ahead and build in that land. I will tell you that we run this town. Yes. If I ever see your leg in that land, Bapugishi, Ngwagi, no ye boom madozo siweni na ke wempompi. And that is a promise. Try me.
Enough about those local radish. You say you understand? Don't worry. When I come for you, you run out of town. Now get that nonsense out of my way. Let's go.
Messiah is here. Eshamboga, Opichilosa na Jakarta ezenko. Eshamboga, onye chego mwele kubecha kwana noza iyo. Eshamboga, shawama obo mwango bodo nini na funanyanko. Ezenko no, chakwana noza onye chego na kanoza onyenko. If you see Sentaraji na noti kwegu Sentaraji ya di madene na nazine kwano wake. His generosity now why everybody don't see him. Oh no no go no, the Messiah is here. Odogu bodo de deluju. Onyapona mwebangule mi fadigoma. The Messiah is here. Onyapona mene oke kono. Mekwano yega bato.
No. All we are saying is, all we are trying to say is that our brother Obiora deserves a very big title, chieftaincy title for that matter, in our land.
Exactly. Oh no. Exactly, oh no. That boy is a Messiah indeed.
Oh.
You can go and see for yourself what he is doing in this community. He empowers the youth.
Oh.
He gives gifts and money to the widows and feeds the children. What else can we ask for? You see all those people who have been living in mud houses for donkey years. He is reconstructing their houses to block houses.
Oh.
Ejiofor, is that not what we want?
That is what we want to.
It's all right. I've heard what you said. In that case, we have to cut his attention and tell him exactly our decision of giving the chieftaincy title.
Okay. But no.
But again,
I suggest we go to him. Go to his house and give him the news. You know these people, they are batara. So that we don't create an impression for him to feel somehow.
You know what you know.
No. You're supposed to come to us and not us going to him.
Oh no, I know where you are going to. Yeah? The only way we can convince him that we are serious and determined is to go to his house and show him the physical seriousness.
Oh no, he has a point. He has a point there. We need to show him that we are very serious.
It's all right. If you have agreed, I have no option than to. So shall it be. Okay?
That is only one.
Girl, if you read my mind now, you would understand that I am only going to face my career and leave relationship matter for now. Honestly, I'm not joking. You know, Jiden actually taught me a lesson that I'm not going to forget in a hurry. How can you even get married to a South African lady after all we went through? Yeah, look at how pretty I am. I'm not even going to let that affect me in any way.
I don't like how you reason sometimes, Ada. Man, please don't blame that guy for what he did not do.
Well, I am speaking from the angle of what I saw. You know, his very close friend sent me pictures, and they are pretty close.
But have you tried to reach out to his friends to know why Jidenda is not picking your call or replying your text?
That one, his number is not going anymore. The last time we spoke was the day he sent me Jidena's pictures and that of his pregnant wife. So, since then I've not been able to contact him. Me, I've told you, men, those species are not to be trusted in any way.
I don't still believe this, Ada.
You don't believe me? Well, if you like, believe. If you like, don't believe. My own is that I'm done with men, and I'm done is that I'm done.
Elders, I would like for this to be very snappy because I have a very meeting with the stakeholders.
So let us proceed. Obiora.
Yes.
The entire community, including the youths, the women, and the Council of Chiefs, have decided to honor you with a chieftaincy title in appreciation to what you have been doing and what you will still do in the future. It is a title that is highly revered and befits a personality like you. So we decided to come with the good news. Yes.
Well, I must say I truly appreciate your genuine efforts to recognize me with the title. But of course you all know I'm a man of a few words, and I do not like so many names. But that does not change the fact that I will continue to be a good man. I will continue to help my people and work tirelessly to put this community on the map. I think I am okay with the title I already have. Obichiluzo 1 na Jakarta, aka the Asian Bugger, given to me by Izindi na Jakarta. Huh? Thank you very much.
Obiora, I think you are getting it wrong. You see, here in Urum Kingdom, we have customs and traditions to recognize a great personality like you with a befitting title. Something that befits your personality. And this will help you to sit with kings and queens wherever you find yourself.
Ugegbe. So after whining and dining with likes of Prince Charles of the United Kingdom, Queen Elizabeth, the Mayor of Scotland, high-class dignitaries in the White House, and also the President of the United States, kings and queens outside the shores of our continent, you expect me to come back here to mingle and jingle with? Ah, come on. With all due respect, that will not be necessary.
It doesn't. Obiora, we want you to listen to us and accept this title. It is the little we can do to appreciate your goodness and for the more you will do for this community. That is all we are asking of you.
I'm very sorry, but I think I've run out of time. Okay, but not to bother. I will think about what we just discussed here and put it into consideration. Okay? Good. Tiger! Are the boys ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. I want you to give them 2 million each. All right, and also call the chef and make sure he takes their orders. My others, like I said, I'll think about what we just discussed and get back to you. But for now, I have to leave. Thank you. Let's go.
Hey! Chief, that's the latest happening as we are speaking now. They've made all the arrangements already.
What is really going on here? So the elders are suddenly forgotten how you helped them and their miserable families.
Chief, I want you to take a message to Ono. Tell him that I want to see him in my house immediately.
All right.
My husband, you must not allow such a thing to happen. If not, it will be a terrible slap on your face.
You're telling me you don't take anything in my house.
But I am not here to drink or eat.
That's all right.
Obiora.
Yes.
You left this community 11 months ago. And you left with nothing. So tell me, how come about this money you threw about? How did you make them? What do you do for a living? Please.
Uncle, it's very simple now. Very simple. Is it not obvious that I was never destined to be great within the walls of this village? I was destined to make it abroad. And that is what you're seeing today.
Obiora, you did not answer my question. What kind of business did you do? it's better you open up to me as your only surviving uncle. You know our family, we don't put hand into any business that is not legitimate. It will not end well, you know that.
Uncle, you know me very well. I will never do anything to dent the image of this family. I'm a hardworking man, and we do everything to be successful. I want you to know that I am a legitimate man. I will never soil my hand. That I promise you. And I do a lot of business with lot of deals, like I told you, like import and export, foreign exchange, Bitcoin.
They say coin,
I know, cryptocurrency. These are the kind of deals that are in vogue now. I'm a young man, and I know exactly where to go to and how to sort things out myself. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, no problem. At least now we'll be mad that you go.
Oh. Now that you're calm, I'm sure you did something.
Immediately was possible.
Tiger!
Oh.
Chief Omego, it is not a matter of age. It is a matter of recognition and the opinion of elders and the people of Urum Kingdom.
Shut up!
What?
Although I said shut up. Yes. How dare you? How dare you utter nonsense? Who are the people? Who made the people? My husband here single-handedly fed each and every house in this kingdom. The only thing he could get is demeaning his status.
Well, Chief, with due respect, I will not sit here and watch your wife insult me just like that.
Oh no, sit down.
Thank you very much.
Sit down, I'm not done with you. Oh no! What impudence? What audacity? What rascality? Who told him that he can walk out on me? Is he mad?
Mommy, calm down. It's obvious that Olowu has taken so much bribe. Yes, he has taken bribe from that roofer who brainwashed people in order to make money.
I know what to do.
Wait, no. I need to understand something clear.
Okay.
You want to tell me that Omego was standing there and the wife insulted you? That can never happen.
The truth is, Chief Omego is just jealous of this boy's success. Oh. Why is he so bitter about his success? Tell me why.
You see, Omego forgets to understand that a tree cannot make a forest.
Thank you.
He forgets to understand that one man cannot reign forever.
Oh.
Where he's supposed to be very glad that that young man has made the entire community very proud.
The second heaven.
Oh, let me tell you, authoritatively, whether he likes it or not, we are going to take that title to Chief Obiora, whether he likes it or not.
Bam!
Odogwu pụta obodo edelujim onye ọbụla nwebe aṅụrị n'ife adịgo mma mmezi ya isie ọ na-eme ma mmiri nwoke bụrụ nkụnụ Eshamboga, Opichilozo na Jakarta ezenko. Eshamboga, Onye chego mwele bube chakwano noza. Eshamboga, Shawama umo mwango buda nine na funanya. Ezenko no, chakwano noza. Onye chego na kanoza. If you see Sentaraji na not the quick Sentaraji ya the madden and as in the panel. His generosity now why everybody
and stop panting like a fool.
I'm sorry, Chief. We were overpowered by his men, and they gunned down the other boys.
No, this is not that. How can a professional like you be overpowered by mere babies? Can you imagine yourself, though? Yeah?
We were taken unaware, Chief.
Unawares?
Yes, Chief.
You are a fool. What makes you a professional? If you cannot arrest a simple situation like this, it is better you are called an immature than calling you a professional. I am highly disappointed in you. Just imagine.
Ada, what's wrong with you?
What? I already told you over the phone that I'm not going to any club.
Stop being silly. Huh? I know you love to follow me and go, but you're just scared of men.
Me? Ada scared of men? You must be joking. Listen, I hate men. And I don't want any man speaking to me. So, for me to prevent such nonsense from happening, I'll rather sleep on this, my beautiful bed, and wait for karaoke night. So,
you need to mingle again, Ada. You don't have to crush yourself here just because you assume you already have a fair relationship. Kai, get up. Let's go and meet some faces tonight.
Ooh, Ver, you're disturbing me. I don't want to go to any club, but wait. If you want me to go to the club, it will be on one condition.
Say it.
I should say it. You must really think I'm joking, right?
Who's joking with you here?
So, first, I, Adobe, will not speak nor smile to any man. What? Second, you are going to stick with me in the club. You won't speak to any man either. And lastly, in case if I get tipsy, you're going to drive me back home. Game?
Is that all? Deal? I mean?
Deal. Farah, you must think I'm joking. I'm not.
Who's joking with you here, Ada?
You like clubbing, eh? Your whole life revolves around clubbing. Clubbing. Please come out.
You I don't like clubbing. You like family, right? Go and get to your home. Let's go now. I better get Toby and go and dance.
See, Vera, you know you have to just help me get something to wear. If not, I'll just go in there and just pick one nonsense and follow you.
Onye ọbụla nwebe aṅụrị n'ife adịghị mma. The Messiah is here. Ọ na-eme mmemme nwoke bụrụ nkụnụ. Asian burger, opichiri ụzọ na Jakarta eze nkụ. Asian burger, onye ji ego nwere ebube chakwa nọ n'ụzọ. Asian burger, shawama ụmụ nwa nke obodo niile na-afụ n'anya nkụ. Eze nkụnụ, chakwa nọ n'ụzọ onye ji ego na-aga n'ụzọ. If you see Sentarachi, ọ dịkwa egwu. Ndị mmadụ na-enanazi n'ebe nọ nwoke. His generosity na why everybody don see am. Who no go no? The Messiah is here. Odogwu bụ obodo dị n'Ugegbe. Onye ọbụla nwebe aṅụrị n'ife adịghị mma. The Messiah is here. Onye mana mmemme nwoke bụ nkụnụ. Nekwa na onye ga-abata obodo nọ. Onye ọbụla nwebe aṅụrị n'ife adịghị mma. The Messiah is here. Onye mana mmemme nwoke bụ nkụnụ. Asian burger, opichiri ụzọ na Jakarta eze nkụnụ. Asian burger, onye ji ego nwere ebube chakwa nọ n'ụzọ. Asian burger, shawama ụmụ nwa nke obodo. Onye ji ego na-aga n'ụzọ. Opichiri ụzọ na Odogwu Asian burger na Jakarta eze nkụnụ. Ọ na-emela bele zile. Aya mebuzo ne kafozo ne iyo. Asian burger, opichiri ụzọ na Jakarta eze nkụnụ. Asian burger, onye ji ego nwere ebube chakwa nọ n'ụzọ. Asian burger, shawama ụmụ nwa nke obodo niile na-afụ n'anya nkụ. Eze nkụnụ, chakwa nọ n'ụzọ onye ji ego na-aga n'ụzọ. If you see Sentarachi, ọ dịkwa egwu. Ndị mmadụ na-enanazi n'ebe nọ nwoke. His generosity na why everybody don see am. Who no go no? Messiah is here. Odogwu bụ obodo dị n'Ugegbe. Onye ọbụla nwebe aṅụrị n'ife adịghị mma. Messiah is here. Onye mana mmemme nwoke bụ nkụnụ. Nekwa na onye ga-abata obodo. Onye ọbụla nwebe aṅụrị n'ife adịghị mma. Messiah is here. Ọ na-emela mmemme nwoke bụ nkụnụ. Asian burger, opichiri ụzọ na Jakarta eze nkụnụ. Asian burger, onye ji ego nwere ebube chakwa nọ n'ụzọ. Asian burger, shawama ụmụ nwa nke obodo niile na-afụ n'anya nkụ. eze nkụnụ chakwa nọ n'ụzọ na onye ji ego na-aga n'ụzọ onye nkụrụ okpichi n'ụzọ banye odogwu eshemboga na Jakarta eze nkụnụ ọ na-eme na bele zili aya mekwuzi one ka ọfọzi one iyo go na-aga n'ụzọ onye nkụrụ okpichi n'ụzọ banye odogwu eshemboga na Jakarta eze nkụna ọ na-eme na bele zili aya mekwuzi one ka ọfọzi one iyo go
Hey, beautiful. How are you? I'm very sorry about that. My boys were just trying to get your attention. Meanwhile, I would like to talk to you, one-on-one.
I'm not a what? I don't want to talk to you or anyone that looks like that. Get out!
Ada! Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Good evening, sir. Please, sorry, my friend is like a friend of mine. Please, pardon her, please.
Wow, she's really angry.
I'm very sorry, sir.
But I think I like her. You know what? I'll just take your number so I get to reach her through you.
I know, let me give you her number.
Good, please. I like that girl. Here. It's not a problem. So what's the name? Vera, I promise you I'll compensate you for this. All right? Good. Hello, beautiful. How are you?
I'm fine. What's on the line, please?
Listen, I'd like to take you out for a date tonight. How about that? I'll come pick you up after work. Hey. Hey. It's time to leave. Both of you. Time to leave. Quick. Take your shit and get out.
Hello. I'm fine. Who is on the line? How the hell did you get my number? Jeez! Who the hell is this?
A man by the name Mr. Obiora is here to see you.
Obiora.
Yes, ma'am.
Let him in.
Okay, ma'am.
Well, hello, beautiful. May I?
Sit.
Thank you. Beautiful place you have here.
I am certain my friend gave you my number and the address to my office.
Well, I can't be so sure.
So how did you get my number?
I am Obichiluzo 1 at Jakarta, aka the Asian Bugger. Of course, I have my way around.
Really?
Yes, really.
You are very funny. Well, I am not a cheap, gullible lady. So as you can see, name calling and titles does not move me from my seat.
Beautiful lady, I am a man of a few words. I'm here for a date, and a date I shall get. I will be waiting for you outside. Take your time.
Jeez. Vera will sure hear from me. So, who the hell is this guy? Ordering me in my office?
You know I like your spirit.
Well, you have captured my heart.
Really? Now I feel honored.
So tell me, what do you do? And why do you have boys around you?
I deal on oil and gas in Jakarta. Raw gold and diamond.
Wow.
And the boys are purely for security purposes. Of course, you and I know the country is in a state of turmoil. So one has to be totally prepared, just in case.
Now I see. And that's why I almost called the police on you last night.
Really?
You're really stubborn, you know.
Please, you have to forgive my weakness. I hardly let go of what I like.
I see. You have a dogged spirit of not letting go. Not even for ladies.
Well, not just any lady, but a beautiful lady at that.
Well, I am sorry about my manners the other night.
It's forgivable.
As a matter of fact, I'll think about it and then get back to you on that note.
You're not serious.
I got you. Please, darling, enjoy your drink.
Thank you.
And let me know if you need something else.
I'm fine though.
Ada, I should work.
Perfectly well, Dad.
Nigga. You know Ada is doing marvelously well.
Of course I know.
She's just been elevated in her company.
Really? Wow! That's my girl. I am so proud of you, my angel.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
But don't you think that a lady who is like Ada doing perfectly well needs a shoulder to lean?
Dad, I know where you're headed, but please.
Ada, your father is saying the truth. You need a man in your life. Okay?
Please, can we have this meal in peace and stop sounding like I resent mine?
That's not what we are saying.
I can't resent men and stay under this roof. You know that.
So, can we stop talking about me and talk about my brother who has been in Indonesia for donkey years? He left when I was 10, remember?
Ada, I know that your brother will be back one day. Since he still calls us on phone, I strongly believe that one day he will come back home.
Your brother is a man and might decide to die in another man's country. But as a lady, you need to bring a man and show the man to us as our prospective son-in-law.
Nine. I know my son will come back one day. I reject that assertion of yours. Look for something captivating and not scary, please. So we can eat this food with happiness. Huh?
Ada is a woman and she needs a man. I rest my case.
I lost my appetite. You two can enjoy the food.
Have you seen it? Have you seen what you've caused? Have you seen it? Instead of you to discuss better things, you're here talking about who would die in another man's land and who needs a man. If you want me to leave this food for you, I will gladly leave it for you so you can eat yours and eat mine at the same time.
Nigga, Ada, when she's hungry, you should go to the kitchen.
I don't like it though. Ada! Ada! Please come back. Don't mind your father. I don't even know how to continue eating this food without my daughter here.
Visit.
Thank you.
I'll inform my boss that you're here.
Okay.
Adana,
Hi.
how are you?
Fine.
Yeah, please make yourself comfortable.
Beautiful place we've got here.
Thank you very much. So, what do I offer you? Champagne? Brandy? I think you look like a champagne kind of gal.
No, you don't have to worry. I'm fine. So tell me, do you live in this magnificent house all alone?
Of course, yes. Except for my boys.
What about your parents?
They're all dead.
Oh no. Accept my sympathy.
Oh, come on. That's in the past now. May their gentle soul rest in peace.
Amen.
Please. Forgive my manners, but I must tell you, you're extremely beautiful.
You're so funny. You just made me laugh. Thanks for the compliment anyways.
Permit me to show you the rest of the house.
Why not?
Shall we? Okay. So we'll start with to what do I owe this August visit?
It's been a week now. We've not heard from you regarding the discussion we had.
Just like he said, the festival is fast approaching, and we would like to add your name to the list of people to be given chieftaincy title in Urum Kingdom. So what title do you intend to give to me? Ojugo, we intend to give you the title of Ozopuri Liego I in Urum Kingdom. I don't like that name.
Do you have any title in mind?
What's the name of that man who goes around giving people money in exchange for their properties, all in the name of helping them? What's he called again?
Chief Omego.
Yes, that's the name. That title does not befit such men. For he's a businessman and a cunning one at that. He will take something, must take something for anything. I want that title.
That title has already been given to Chief Omego. Two people cannot bear the same title in one kingdom.
Well, it's very simple. You'll have to step down for me. It doesn't work that way. Ojugu, when did we turn giving and collecting of title in this town? No. Obiora, in our kingdom, Urum, we have customs and traditions on how titles are given and the way of acceptance. So this one cannot work. I have done so much for the people of Urum and intend to do even more. The custom and tradition must be overruled for my sake. I want the title, and that's
we have a very good name for that boy. Why targeting Chief Omego's title, which he has been holding for a long time? Yeah?
What is actually worrying me is that the boy is so determined. We tried convincing him that he is so straight and tough.
I smell war. Let us try to convince him in order to avoid a quarrel between two of them.
No, my own is whatever we have to do, let's be quick and fast about it
all I want.
I know, Obiora. How can you go off an already given title? You're only seeking for a fight.
I don't care. Uncle, I don't care. Omega 1 of Urum Kingdom. That's the title I have chosen. And that's the title I will have. You all have witnessed firsthand my benevolence in this kingdom. And I'm very sure you all have enjoyed my wealth. You see, I am working tirelessly to put this kingdom on the map. So I deserve that title. Omega 1 of Urum Kingdom.
But my son, is there any need for that? There's something I just want you to understand where we are coming from. In order not to have hitches between you and Omega, please, I pray you not let us trade with caution, okay?
Tread with caution or not, I still don't care. I am Obichuluzo 1, Jakarta, aka the Asian Bugger. I have conquered cities. Brazil, Colombia. I am not afraid of a child who has not seen nothing yet. He's nobody. I must have that title. I will have that title. He sent the stray dogs to my house the other day. I devoured them, but I let one go to deliver the message. You don't send dogs to a lion's den. They will be devoured. He's a small boy. He can't do nothing. I will have that title.
Obiora. Obiora. Hey.
Uncle.
Obiora, they said when a child eats to his satisfaction, he thinks he can challenge his God to a fight. My son, please, let's be more careful here. Pikona.
I still don't care. I know I got you. Please, what do I offer you guys?
You mean he wants to drag my title? And that little boy wants to drag my title, Omega?
That is exactly what he told the Lord. I can smell a rat. Chief, Ono and the other elders are planning to agree to his demands because he has little change. Small boy, small money. I think we need to act fast. I said, let me just come and inform you.
It's okay, I've had you. You're working in media, no. You can go now.
I can go?
Yes.
Okay.
This boy, what else does he want? What else can he ask for? He wants my title. Chief Omega. It's okay. You shall see.
Oh no, Obiora will not relent.
I know.
I can see it in his eyes.
What
do we do? I can tell you, we are to blame.
But how?
You are asking me, but how? How can we use our 2 legs to go to his house to ask him to take a title? Now that he has told us the title he wants, which is very, very impossible, what do we do? Who saw all this coming? Nobody.
Look at them. Look at them. Evil conspirators, betrayers, all demented fools. Oh no, I am here in particular for you. I come here to warn you. If I hear anybody in this kingdom call that little brat, that puppy dog, Omego, oh no, I will cut off your head.
So you think you can come to my house and threaten my life like that?
And what would you do?
You're supposed to know that I am the Onowu of this kingdom, right? And you have got no right whatsoever to come here and threaten my life and go scot-free.
And for you, elders, if I hear pin from anybody's mouth, not to talk of Ome, Adinego, I will cut off your tongues.
Are you threatening us?
What do you think we will do?
Oh no, don't worry, sit down. Oh no, let him go.
You mean I sit down?
Sit down.
We are waiting for you.
He is just bragging. Oh no, we sit down. Sit down.
No, don't mind him. Ndoka, remember I told you before to warn your nephew not to stay on my path. It appears to me that you did not do that. Remember, a stubborn fly goes to the grave with the corpse. I will not warn you again. Tell him to leave this town for me. 2 captains cannot stay in one ship. Let him leave this town for me. I will not warn you again.
Let me tell you one thing. Your failed attempt to assassinate him will continue to go.
Ndoka, you dare talk back at me? Eh?
Omego, you think you can reign forever in this kingdom? No, the young shall grow. I will advise you go home and gather your days in your palms. Allow Obiora to enjoy his wealth in peace.
Is that all you have to say? Is that all you have to say, Ndoka? It's okay. We shall see.
We shall see nothing. How can you be envious and jealous about
I'll still sanction you for giving him my number. Yeah, he's a nice guy. I like him though. You're sick in the head. I'll call you back.
Hello, beautiful.
Hi.
Well, look what I got for you.
Wow. Thank you so much.
I knew you were going to like it.
Please sit.
Thank you.
So, tell me, what can I do for you? Anything. Just say it.
Anything? You see, money and all the treasures in the world, I think I have. But your heart, I don't. And that's what I want.
Thank you so much for the banquet. I really love it.
Well, thank you so much. Adana.
Stop staring at me like that.
The truth is, I can't get my eyes off you.
You're making me uncomfortable.
Then I should leave.
No, certainly not in that way. Please sit. You know I wouldn't want you to leave.
Are you sure?
Of course I am.
Son? Okay. But son, you have to return to this country. Eh? Your mother and I are worried. Yes, I know Nigeria is very far, but then there is every need for you to come back to this country, please. It has taken donkey years. It's quite an age, so to say. We need to see you, son. Please, we are happy all the money and goodies you've been sending to us, but then there is need to set eyes on you once more. Please. Okay. Take good care of yourself. Commend me to your wife there, okay? And be careful. Be a good ambassador. Huh? Okay. Goodbye. Hey.
So, are we seeing this weekend? Okay. You want me to cook for you? So, what's your favorite dish? Okay. Yeah, I miss you too. I'll call you back. My mom is there.
Who is this lucky young man?
Mom! Were you eavesdropping on my call?
No. I wouldn't do that, my angel. But I can see the sign. And this butterfly in your belly tells it all. This person must be so special to you, right?
Mom, you're trying to take out words from my mouth. I don't want to say anything for now.
Very well then. When is he coming? At least we need to see him.
Okay, you win. This weekend.
Really? That means I'm going to make a homemade delicacy for him. I think Officer will do.
Mom, I don't know. Whatever you want to prepare is fine. Okay?
That's alright. Let me leave you in your course. Just say hi to him. My regards.
This is my mommy. She likes her home.
Obiora!
What is it? Yes, that's my name, old man. What have you come to do in my house?
Obiora,
They said if a child lifts off his father, the junks that he sees blinds his eyes. Nwata bunye nna ya enu, ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayochie ya anya. Obiora, I ask you, what is your mission in Urum Kingdom? Are you here to compete with me for power and affluence or for recognition? Obiora, you are dragging my title with me. You are dragging my title. Omego 1, Naurum Kingdom. A title I got from my people for my meritorious works. As if that is not enough. You went ahead to buy the mega plaza at the metropolis that I was planning to buy. Obiora, what else can you do to me?
Are you done? I ask you a question, old man. Are you done? Well, it is said, men with money do not talk too much, but act. I doubled the offer. And just because I like it. And now, I have it. My win. Your loss.
I see.
Well, you see clearly when I take that title from your hand. You think you have money. You go around this community bragging just because of your local currency. I'm talking euros, dollar bills, pounds, shillings. And you're here talking local currencies. Now I advise you to take your hungry dogs out of here before my lions pounce on them.
Obiora, the little change you think you have is making you mad. I think you are biting more than you can chew. Let me advise you. Leave this town for me. This town is for me and me alone, Obiora. If you don't want to do that, by the time I finish dealing with you, you will change your name from Obichiruzo 1 na Jakarta to Obituary 1 na Jakarta. I promise you that.
I am Obichiruzo 1 na Jakarta, aka Asian Burger. I do not have the luxury of time, so I advise you to leave now that you can. Go.
It's okay. I will leave, but I'll be back. But remember, Okpana Okpekobunu ntichiri ya. Ochuru onwe ya n'ụgbọ, asịkwala na ọgbọ erutere ya.
Odogwu podo deluji onye ọbụla nwebe aṅụrị n'ife adịgo mma mmeza ya isie ọ na-eme ma mmemme nwoke bụrụ nkụnụ Asian burger obichiri ụzọ na Jakarta eze nkụnụ Asian burger onye ji ego nwere ebube chakwa nọ n'ụzọ Asian burger shawarma ụmụ nwego obodo niile na-afụ n'anya nkụ eze nkụnụ chakwa nọ n'ụzọ na onye ji ego na-aga n'ụzọ onye nkụ ifisi sentara china
Viper! Come. The next time you see that man on my gate, kill him.
Onye ọbụla nwebe aṅụrị n'ife adịgo mma mmeza ya isi onye mena mmiri nwoke bụ nkụnụ mekwa na onye ga-abata obodo n'ụwa onye ọbụla nwebe aṅụrị n'ife adịgo mma mmeza ya isi ọ na-eme na mmiri nwoke bụ nkụnụ.
He assassinated you know, just to shatter my coronation plans. I will not spare him. I will not spare him. I must have this title.
But we have not concluded on that. We have not concluded on that.
Detective, you know who has just been assassinated. I demand a thorough investigation prior to this report. Very well then. I'll be in your office shortly.
Seems no one is in this house. Check the backyard. Did you see anyone?
No one.
All right. Let's go. And you're coming to the station right now.
Away from me! Out from here! This is the way you want to play the game.
My friend.
I said leave me alone! Do you know whom you are talking to? What kind of game are you playing, Obiora?
Who are you?
I said I am Omega. Don't you know me?
Shut up! Quiet. I said keep quiet! For I am the one with the guns here.
Oh, you've turned the kidnapper.
You think you can run? Huh? Look at me. Look at me. Look at me, man. You think you can run? But I'll tell you this. No matter how far you run, no matter how hard you run, you can never run away from Obichiluzo 1. Today is your lucky day because I'm going to let the law take care of you. But I'll make sure you rot in jail. Take this fool out of here. Take him out!
I will hurt you! I will. Let's go!
It is very unfortunate that you know who is no longer in our midst. We will believe that if we may go of all persons, will send assassins to kill the know who. It is very unfortunate. However, we must move on. The customs and traditions of our community cannot wait for us. Ojukwu, we all know who the next Onowu is. Ichenduka, I have nothing else to say to you.
Ichenduka, prepare for the rituals, after which you shall be crowned the Onowu of Urom Kingdom.
Yes.
Why are you staring at me like that?
You know, all my life, I've always wanted a woman like you. Very beautiful, very smart, very hardworking, and above all, very intelligent. You see, this and so many other factors sparked up my reaction the very first day I saw you.
Wow.
You see, today, I'm going to unveil the meaning of what happened the very first day I set my eyes on you. Adana, and you, when I met you, I knew I found a wife. My life partner, my better half. I beg you on this day to be my wife, the mother of my unborn kids, and make my life complete.
Yes, yes, I will marry you. Oh, wow, this is so beautiful. I love it.
Just like you're beautiful. Come here, my darling. Come here.
I love you.
I love you too. Huh?
Young man.
Sir.
You're welcome to my house.
Thank you very much.
I learned you're from Ajaelo clan.
Of course, yes, sir.
Look, I know one famous chief from your clan, Chief Omego. I heard he killed the Onowu of your clan and was sent to jail.
Yes, he was.
Killing an Onowu of a clan is that man is very heartless. To kill an Onowu is a great sacrifice.
Oh, Nai, please. Can we talk about something else?
Nigga. Allow me to interact with my guests.
You're free to interact with him, but let's talk about something important.
It's alright, sir. It's alright, ma'am.
Young man,
sir.
What do you do for a living?
Well, I'm into oil and gas processing. That's Jakarta. I also deal in raw gold and pure diamonds.
Oh my God.
Good, that's interesting. like hardworking men, especially the genuine ones, anyway.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
You're welcome, my son. You are free to visit anytime, any day. This is like your home, too.
No problem.
And that is it, girl. Your girl is hooked and hooked to the best man on earth.
Just within the space of few months. Oh no, every time you are busy saying men are this, men are that, you never follow any man, you love, blah blah blah. Just look at you. Huh? This is such coming your way.
Honestly, I'm not even going to lie, I didn't. But he wowed me like, look, this is so beautiful.
I'm so happy for you.
Thanks, girl. Thank you.
It's take me out so because you know I'm the brain behind this sweet romance.
Of course, that won't be a problem.
Yeah, it's good. You know, sometimes a glory hides in an unpleasant places. So congratulations to you, Ada. I'm so happy for you.
Thanks, girl. I'm so excited. I can't even explain how I feel actually. But you know what? Let's roll. All bills on me.
Yeah,
Let me just
boss lady.
Let me just clear my table and
Once again, you're welcome to my home.
Thank you.
May we know why you people are here?
Okay. Chief, we must thank you for welcoming us in your home.
Thank you.
Yes, our son here told us that he saw a beautiful rose planted here in their home.
Rose flower, pa. Nigga, do we have any rose flower in our compound?
I don't know.
Chief Obi, he didn't mean it that way. He was actually talking about your daughter.
That is it. I understand. Okay.
Yes. She is the one we are talking about. Yes.
You have to call her Adanna to speak for herself. Since she's the subject matter.
Exactly.
Nick, please call Adanna.
A minute. Please. Nine. She's here.
Oh. Adam, let me ask you one question. Do you know this man here?
Yes, Daddy.
He came with his uncles to ask for your hand in marriage. Should you go ahead?
Yes, Daddy.
You may go back to your room. Now we've heard from the horse's mouth. And now proceed.
Them they call me Alankuna Jakarta. Echimiwe better but for a reason. If I bala no selika, no. When we could be a bullet, the battle line is strong. I no get joy again. Somebody must follow. I can show them say na maybe Alankuna Jakarta. I no go green, I no go green. Me make them for the guna nana. They no get any remorse for waiting they do. If I meet them, I go fire. I go set his house on fire. Now who want me back? You want to turn me to my God? Naniko get chicken, Odoguna Chakata Tugana. One night the vessel, I don't get joy at all.
Told you that he will one day enter this house.
Somebody must follow. I can show them, say, now maybe I'll go.
Okay, one. No.
Absolutely
You're welcome home. You're looking good.
Absolutely wonderful.
You're looking good. I told you that my son will one day come back home.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Okay, one.
Son, you're welcome. How was your trip?
Oh, my trip was okay. Stressful, quite long. It's quite some distance getting back to Nigeria. But I thank God I'm back safe and alive.
Yes, so to him be all the glory.
Yes.
So, big brother, guess what?
Can you just tell me? You know I'm not good with guessing.
I'm getting married.
Yeah.
For real?
Yes.
Oh my God, are you serious? And you didn't tell me over the phone.
Yeah, it's a surprise package for you.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Like she really pointed out, she wants us to have a surprise.
Yes, so you know what? She's getting married to a very wealthy man. If you see him, so handsome. He's from Aki's a clown. You will like him. Yes.
Yes. You have a problem with that?
No, of course not. Someone has mentioned Akeze before me. Okay, well, never mind. Long story. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Nice. I like that.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Say.
Thank God for everything.
Hi, honey. Baby, guess what? My elder brother is back.
Wow, this is good to know. That's
Yes, he came back today. He's fine. Yeah, I told him I'm getting married. Yeah. He's so excited to hear that.
It will be really nice to see him after 10 years. I guess maybe I'll see him before our next visit.
You know, he left the country when I was like, I think 10, 11. I can't figure out now.
I can't wait to meet him.
Yeah. Don't worry, I can't wait to introduce you to him. Yeah, you will like him. Okay. Alright, bye. Love you too.
And yes.
Yes, I'm in Nigeria now. Yeah, I'm back. Of course I'll find him. Yes, I'll find him. I don't care how long it takes. I will turn this whole country upside down and I'll find him. He can't go scot-free. I'll get him. Of course I'll get him. All right, no problems. I'll talk to you later. Yeah. Hey.
Who is that?
I was just on the phone with a friend of mine.
I mean, the person you're going to meet for you sounded like over the phone.
A little business issue that needs to be sorted out.
Are you sure?
Nothing for you to worry about.
Alright.
So tell me, when is your husband coming with his people?
They've come for their first introduction.
Really?
So the final wedding plans will be discussed between the both of us. Then we'll let you know.
Wow, that's nice. Congratulations, by the way.
Thank you.
I can't wait to meet this lucky guy.
Don't worry. Very soon you'll get to meet him before the wedding. You will like him, don't worry.
Alright. You're a big girl now.
Hey. My darling wife.
Nope, no. Not yet. I'm not yet your wife.
You know, I can't wait to have you in my life forever. I mean, waking up next to you every day will be a blessing.
Same here, baby. I can't wait to be your wife and the mother of your unborn kids.
No, darling. But also, our mother. I can't wait to rule this beautiful empire with you.
Wow. My love.
Yes, darling.
You're a definition of happiness to me. Thank you so much for wiping away all the ugly memories in my head. I love you.
Now you're making me emotional. But listen, I promise you, I am going to make you happy for the rest of your life. Okay?
Thank you so much for wiping away all the ugly memories in my head. I love you. I love you. I love you so much.
I promise you, I will make you happy forever. Come here.
How far now, my man? Please, I'm looking for this man. This guy. You know him?
No, I don't know him.
No, now look at him very well. You know him now. He's from this town. Look, he called me. I'm just missing my way. I want to locate him. That's all.
Sorry, I'm not familiar with this place. I don't know him. I've not seen him before.
Check very well if you know him. He's a good friend of ours.
I don't know him. Sorry.
You don't know him? No problem. Okay. Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome.
Start.
You know, at a point in my life, I had a heart attack. It was terrible. I begged God to spare my life. I made a vow to him that if he saves me, I'll help people for the rest of my life. And God saved me. So that's why we're here. Tell me, how can I help?
Okay, sir. In our hospital, we have a series of patients who are financially handicapped. They need financial aid. Many of them are suffering from kidney failures, cancer of the breast, and many other deadly diseases. They need financial aid. They need to be taken abroad for serious medical consultation.
All right, fine. Doctor, that's why I called you. I'll foot the bills.
Wow.
Yes.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
So just do the calculation. Send to me, send an account number, I'll send the money to you.
Okay. Once I get to the hospital, I will shake all their bills. And another important thing, each of the family member must go with them over there so that they can take care of them.
It's alright. Even if they want to go with 10 family members each, that's why they come here now.
Okay, I'll be on my way now.
No, relax now. Why are you rushing to? You can't come to my house and go home empty-handed. Hold on. This is for you. Wow. 2 million naira. And this is not for the patient, so this one is for you. Spend it the way you like.
Thank you so much. God bless you, Chief.
Okay, no, at all. As soon as you get the breakdown, send it to me. Someone needs a sewing machine. Who's that?
Yes, sir.
You are? Okay. Give her 150,000.
Thank you, sir.
I hope that will be enough to buy.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Someone said he learned mechanic work.
It's me, sir.
Oh, you still want to learn?
Yeah.
You want to learn? Okay. Give him 50,000.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
Bless you too. Somebody wants to further education.
Yes, sir.
You?
Yes, sir.
All right. We can start with 200,000. Give her 200.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
If you need more, just let me know.
Thank you, sir.
Catering. Somebody wants to learn
Yes, sir.
catering. You?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you can do it?
Yes, sir.
I'll give her 50,000.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right, you're welcome. Then, provision shop. Someone wants to open a provision shop. Okay. All right, fine. Let's start with 200.
Thank you, sir.
Give her 200.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
Then someone wants to open a salon.
Yes,
That
sir.
should be you. All right. I think that one will cost quite a lot because you need to buy a couple of equipment. So
Yes, sir.
see what we can do for you. Okay, that's 1 million naira.
Hey, Oga. Hey, sir. God bless you. Sir, God bless you. You will live long. You fulfill the numbers of your days. Push me and thank you more.
Thank you, sir.
God
Thank you,
bless
sir.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
It's okay, God bless you too, eh? All right, it's okay, you can.
Bye-bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm very, very hungry like this. Nah, the one always eat go move straight ahead. Come on, you don't even have to say what happened. Tell me now. You don't like us. You like us. Why don't like us now? What happened? Why are you crying?
You girls wouldn't understand. See why I'm dreaming.
What happened? Talk to us now. What happened? What is the problem? Head what?
About Alanko. He just returned from Indonesia.
Indonesia?
Yes.
Indonesia?
Hey!
What happened?
He's empowering the youth.
Empowering the youth how?
He's giving out money. If you ask for 2,000 naira, babes, he gives you 10,000 naira.
It's a lie. Hey! It's a lie. In this village like this now.
I just told him about my problem. Guess what?
What?
He gave me 1 million naira.
Hey!
Is that right? I'm not lying.
That is like you have 1 million naira.
Rich! 1 million naira rich. Come on. Come on.
Hey! Jesus! What are we waiting for? Please, where is his house? Come and show us. Jesus, you don't miss. Hey, come and show us now. You scared?
Mama in case she has. Not Mama in case she has.
That big blanket. Okay, that big blanket.
1 million naira. Lord, I wake up. 1 million naira.
My son, since you returned from Indonesia, we've had numerous things you've been doing with your money. Going to hospitals, paying hospital bills for patients, empowering youths, making sure they achieve their aims. And what more? Providing scholarships, giving out scholarships from primary to secondary. Now, don't you think it's too much?
Father, it's not too much, yes. And it will never be too much. Never. You see, our society right now needs a lot of helping hands. People are really suffering. Going to the streets, you see that people are suffering. And we don't have enough people like me who really feel the pain of the people and want to help. So I'll keep doing what I'm doing. You have nothing to worry about. It's not too much. When I had my issues, when I had cardiac arrest, I begged God to spare my life. And I promised him that if he does, I will do this. I will help people. I will spend my money on people as if I didn't work for it. So yes, all the days of my life. So you have nothing to worry about. My money will never ever finish. Papa gets empty. I'm working. That's why they call me Alamisi. Alanko, Ajaelo, Ajaelo.
Hey!
Relax, enjoy my money. It will finish. Go back. Don't be scared of anything. You have nothing to worry about. That's why they call me Alanko. Say it. Alanko.
It's okay, my son. It's alright though, but what your father and I are trying to say is just for you to be very, very careful. Because I wouldn't want to lose you. Amen. I will always pray for you. Nothing will ever happen to you.
Amen. My nephew, Obiora, has fixed the date for his traditional marriage.
Okay.
And you know his proper performing.
Okay. And when is his preferred date?
Oh, the next 4 market days.
Okay.
Yes, that 4 market day is okay.
does not clash with our own market day.
Oh, yeah.
So it's convenient. We'll be able to attend.
Well, we will all attend. We will. As long as it doesn't fall into our market days. Chenuga, you did not do the usual of it.
Well, there's no way you can do it without me. It's alright, I'll be with you guys in no time. See you soon.
Honey, I'm extremely sorry for what happened today. It wasn't my fault. You know, my brother actually called and said he was going to be in my office in the next 20 minutes. And that was why I called you to come.
It's alright, darling. I totally understand. It's not your fault, neither was it his. You see, I'm a businessman and I know how all of this play out. I'm sure something came up and then he decided to change his schedule ASAP.
But he should have called.
I know, darling. But trust me, there is always another day.
I'm so sorry, my love, for wasting your time today.
Oh, come on. I'm fine. Besides, I had a wonderful time with you.
I did too. Great company.
Of course, yes. So, I guess I'll have to leave now.
Alright, baby, I'm sorry. Hope you get to accept my apologies.
Apology accepted. Come here. Come, darling. I'm sure you know I love you so much.
I love you too, darling.
I have to run now. I'll see you soon.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, my love.
Be good.
I'm really very sorry. Please forgive me. Something came up. I had to attend to it.
But you should have called or texted. That's not nice.
You're right. I take the blame for that. Please forgive me. Tell him to come see me tomorrow.
Obiora is a busy businessman. Well, I'll try and convince him to come tomorrow. So what time?
Anytime. I'll be home all day. I hope you've forgiven me now.
Of course I have.
I didn't want to put my mouth in this matter. It is better you two settle it yourselves.
Mom, don't mind him. He can be so annoying.
Yeah.
I'm very busy now. I'll see him tomorrow, don't worry.
Okay.
Obiora, we cannot give you a chieftaincy title now. You are not married yet. You know, the pattern of the Igbos in Indonesia and our own here in Urum Kingdom is different. So get married to Adana and we will give you a chieftaincy title, a befitting one, on the day of our festival, which is fast approaching.
I understand what you're saying, Uncle. But I need you to speed up everything. I need to get married to her. Huh? Speed up everything.
You have already given out a date. I will suggest you relax. I understand. Yes, I know how you feel for a man to get married to the woman he loves. I understand, but you have to.
It's all right, Uncle. I'm sure when all of this is settled, I would want you to come over to the state capital. I'll just buy you a house there. Of course you. Oh, come on, Uncle. It's a little thing. This is what I do for people I don't even know. Talk less of my uncle.
Hey! Obiora, we shall be well with you.
Thank you.
our gods will continue to protect you.
Thank you very much, Uncle. I'll have to take my leave now. I have a meeting to attend. Okay? Meanwhile.
Hey! Oguna.
Uncle, here's a little something for your weekend. Call me when it's over.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Weekend here will come. Hey! How about you? Hey.
This man.
Yes. Yes, anything.
I am a very busy man. I am not here for jokes. I was told that you know everybody that comes into that club. I want you to describe this man for me. Tell me all you know about him.
I don't know anything about this man. I swear. I only saw him once last 2 months in the club. And after then, I've never set my eyes on him. I've not seen him again. I swear.
I hate repeating myself. I will kill you. Throw your body, your skinny, stinking body into the river. Feed your flesh to the fish. I swear, if you do not tell me all you know about this man, I'll kill him.
He was with a bodyguard, me and my friend. He gave us some money, bought us drink. But as soon as the lady walked into the club, he left us for the lady. And that's why we never saw again since then.
No exchange of contact.
Nothing like that. If I have it, I would have given it to you now.
You have 2 seconds to describe the lady. Get talking.
Two months ago. And she described the lady to you. Really? Alright, just turn everywhere upside down. Search for him everywhere, in clubs, hotels, everywhere. Yes, I must find him. I made it clear to you I came down to this country because of him. And I will not leave Nigeria until I find him. And I'll take him down. Then I can leave. Go to find him.
Hello, darling. How are you? My love, you look so good.
You too, thank you.
Well, I'm on my way to Abuja right now, so I decided to dash in here to grab a hug.
Honey, please, can you give me at least 20 minutes? My brother is actually on his way to this place, so please.
Oh, darling. I'm so sorry I do not have the luxury of time. My flight is in the next 10 minutes. Huh? Babe, maybe some other time, okay?
That's
Good.
fine.
That's my
so,
girl.
I need you to take care of yourself and be good.
Of course, I will be good for you. Huh? Give me that kiss.
I'll miss you.
Miss you too. I have to run now. I'm running late.
Of course I know. But I have to take care of business. I'll see you again soon. Okay? Take care of you. I have to run now.
Them they call me Alankuna Jakarta. Echimiwe better but for a reason. If I bala no selika, no. When Mugubia Bulego, the battle line is strong. I no get joy again. Somebody must follow. I can show them say na maybe Alankuna Jakarta. I no go gree. Me make them for the gunana. They no get any remorse for waiting they do. If I meet them, I go fire. Set his house on fire. Now who want the bagger? You want to turn me to maga? Maniko get chicken. Odoguna Jakarta to gonna. One night the vest I no get joy at all. I no get joy again. Somebody must follow. I can show them say na maybe Alankuna Jakarta. I no go gree.
Hey, big bro.
Where is he?
He just left.
You just left?
Yeah, a dashing businessman.
Oh.
I wish you guys met.
I'm so sorry. I was very busy. I had a lot of meetings.
You're always busy.
I'm always busy. I'll make it up to you, okay? I promise. Okay.
Baron describes someone that looks like my younger sister. Am I missing something here? No. My kid sister has nothing to do with such a man. A bastard, a walking corpse. My sister is not the only one who fits into such description. But why is this boy not found up till now? Maybe he has found out I'm in Nigeria. You cannot hide for too long. I, Alankuna Jakarta, will surely find you. I will find you, Collins, and when I get hold of you, I will amputate your limbs one after the other. I will make sure you feel pain and die slowly. I will show you the darkest side of a beast. I am Malamisia, Alankuna Jakarta. where he lives, where he comes out from. Okay? Hunt him down. And remember, we must get to him before he knows it's being traced.
Alright, boss. Well, it's not a problem. You just have to go through the documents and show you, see how the process goes there. You learn it. Go through the process and get back to the manager. And it's all done. Oh, yes, I'm here. I'm here. Listen, I'll have to call you back. Yeah. What's the meaning of this? Why are you in my room? Hey, I'm talking to you.
Hi.
Are you drunk?
Come on, baby boy, relax. Am I not beautiful enough? But you don't like what you're seeing?
Are you mad?
Don't you want to go down with a hot chick like me?
Are you mad?
Relax,
Get out
I'm
of my
here to
room.
keep you company.
Now. I said, get out of my room! Are you mad?
Relax, I'm here to keep you company.
I said, get out of my room. I said, get out! Such madness! Get out! What? What's the meaning of that? Hell no. We'll handle this right now. I will handle this once and for all! Nonsense!
Fire on them, and the boys jumped down and ran inside the bush. When we got close to the car, he is not inside.
You meant he disappeared or something?
What's my business if he disappears? How does that concern me? Find this guy. Find him.
They ran into the bush.
They ran into the bush. You did not chase anybody. You people did not go after them. You would have given them a hot chase. At least apprehend one of them. They will tell you where their boss is. Why would you mess up with such a mission? What is wrong with you? Huh?
Get out.
Sorry.
I said get out, get out. The bastard unleashed the beast and you will find him. You will find him. That guy has unleashed the beast in me. We will find out why they call me Alamesia. Alankona Jakarta. I will find him. We'll hunt him down and make him pay with his...
They fucked up, eh? They missed the whole thing up. But don't worry. Alan Kokopo. We'll get them. I told you we'll get them. We'll get them.
What? You mean some men attacked you guys and opened fire?
Yes, boss.
You may leave.
Good, boss.
And who could this be?
Someone wants you dead.
I know.
Maybe Chief Omego sends Ajaelo from the prison.
Do you think so?
Yes, he hurt him so bad. And he still has some connections.
Ah. And he thinks he can get me.
Well, Obiora, I would suggest you go back to where you came from. Because this town is no longer safe for you. Or you can go to any other country that is more safe. See, the whole thing goes down. What I'm trying to say is, you are being monitored by unknown people. They can use anyone to trap you. Yes.
Don't worry, Uncle. I will be fine. I will be fine.
Just be careful. Because
Baby. What's wrong with you? You've been acting so cold since I got here. What's the matter?
I'm fine.
Come on, baby, you're not fine. I know that look on your face. You know you can talk to me, right?
Our wedding comes up in 3 days' time. The truth is, I wanted to be low-key. Just your family and my family.
But that's not the plan. So what about your friends coming from outside the country? Come on, babe. I am the Ada of my father's house. I want an elaborate traditional wedding.
Well, for the sake of security, I think our traditional wedding on Loki will make more sense. Just your family and my family.
Babe.
Yes.
But my brother is capable of providing high security personnel. Even if it's for a week. And you're capable as well. So what are you saying?
I just have fear for you, no. Besides, the security in this country is not reliable.
I have informed all my friends about this wedding and they have their shibi already. People from all over the states that are invited. You are aware of all this. Come on, we've planned a very big traditional wedding. My brother's friends, top men in the society. So they're aware of this. So why the sudden change in plan?
You know what? We can have it your way. I guess it's just phobia for crowd.
Don't worry, darling. Everything is going to be fine.
Yes.
Now, I want you to smile for me. So, tomorrow is my birthday. Hope you remember.
What? Oh, yes. You bet. Of course I remember.
So, what are we gonna do? Dinner, lunch, what?
All of the above.
So, like we discussed last night, Don't be desperate to make money, because desperation will lead you to evil, to make you betray a friend, and once that is done, trust is lost. Look at where you are coming from. We have known for dignity. Please, don't spoil our name. Don't be overzealous over there. Whatever you see, manage it. Run from courtesan. Most importantly, women.
I've heard what you said, Uncle. Thank you very much for all you do for me. I'm very grateful. I promise you, I will not disappoint. I will not.
Take it easy. You are crying when you are still here. What happens when you travel abroad? Please, my son, it shall be well with you. Oh? The gods of our land will always protect you.
You see,
you will go and come back.
You see,
you know you are running late. Oh? The gods of our land will always protect you.
You see.
Oh?
Thank you very much, Uncle. I'll be on my way now.
No problem. No problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey.
Yes, boss.
Certain.
Confirm.
Wait for me.
Alright, boss.
This must have cost so much. Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You like it?
Yes, of course I like it.
Are you sure?
This is so beautiful.
I'm glad you like it.
Of course I do. I would never say no to a gold necklace.
I'm glad you like it. I love spending money on my kid sister.
I know, right?
And I love the fact that you're always smiling. I hope your husband can sustain this smile for at least forever.
I think he will.
I hope he does. Let's bounce.
Okay. You got me a car for my birthday?
Of course, yes.
Oh, I love you. You're full of surprises. Mom! Come, Dad, come. Maybe just come here. Come.
Hey.
I love you so much.
You too.
Wow.
He bought you a car? Yes, Mom.
What a pleasant surprise.
Actually, this is the list of what I intend to do. What I initially planned for her is on the way. It takes time to come from America.
You can see that again.
That's nice.
Yes.
So nice.
Really?
Congratulations.
I just want her to have this for the meantime,
Really?
There's something to move around with.
Okay. Come meet my baby. He just come in. Brother. What is it?
No, he said that.
What is it? What happened?
Damn it.
No. But what is it? That's my baby. That's my fiancé. Don't do that. Stop.
Step away. Let me shoot this bastard. Now, Peter can Fiona. Get out.
You cannot shoot him. You have to shoot me first.
Step away.
Put that gun down. Brother, please.
If you say I'll shoot you first, then I'll shoot you first. Step away.
Look at your sister.
Step away. Let me kill this bastard.
Put the gun down.
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? What the fuck do you think you're going?
Put the gun down.
Stay right there. You are not leaving this compound. Don't move.
Please. Calm down.
Get out. Let me shoot this bastard.
Please. Calm down.
What is it?
Calm down. Biko. Calm down. Biko.
Count of 3. I'm going to shoot.
Hey.
2. 3.
What's wrong with you? Have you lost it, Alames?
Something. What is it?
Nigga, what has come over here, son?
Oh, I don't know. What happened? But what is it now? Why do you want to shoot him? That's my fiancé. Yes. But what is it now? Are you okay?
No, I'm okay. I feel like I'm going to die.
What's the problem? You should bring down your guns. Please. Bring down your guns. Now, Biko. But now? What is it?
Let's go.
Brother, calm down. What is it now?
Calm down.
Brother, that's my baby. Why do you want to kill him?
Calm down.
Where did you come from here? Hey, brother, stop now. What is it? Please talk to me. Why do you want to shoot my fiancé? What is it? What did he do?
That bastard will never ever be your fiancé. Can you hear me? He cannot enter this family. Can you hear me? There will be no wedding between both of you. No wedding. And that's final.
Hey!
Alaeze, what is the problem? Eh? What transpired between you and that young man? Put us in the know, please.
I know that from the day I gave birth to you, I know you cannot hurt a fly.
Yes.
Let alone carrying a gun against your fellow man. What could be the problem? Tell us if we have anything to do about it. Let's pursue it now and now. Please.
Anything you can do. If you want me to make me happy, bring that bastard here. Let me shoot him in the head.
How?
He's very lucky. Should count himself lucky that you will intervene. I would have killed him today and buried him in this compound. I said before, there will be no wedding between that monkey and my sister. And that's all.
Brother.
He wants to get married to your younger sister. What? This bastard, what do you want to do?
I'll make him pay. I'll get everything he stole from me. And I'll make him pay. I will kill him.
You mean after looking for this beast all this time and he resurfaces with this? I want to get married to Alanko's younger sister. Alanko is quite soft, Nanka. I want to want me up. Damn. What do you do? No.
Tried to kill me, frame me. You tried to sleep with my wife. That was not enough for you. Came down to Nigeria and started screwing my sister. You stole my money, you stole my gold, you stole my diamonds. Obiora, give me all you took from me right now.
Alamese, eh? Alanko na Jakarta. The air is human. But to forgive is divine. Of course I know I faulted. I did you wrong. But come on. Oh, we can talk about this like men. Instead of bringing this warthog into my building. You can start a war here. Listen, I'll tell you this. Why don't we go inside and talk like men? Like brothers. Of course, you know you're my supposed brother-in-law. And let this boys take care of themselves.
To me, please. What happened to you? Baby, please now talk. What is it? Don't touch me! Not even dead! Don't touch me! I'm talking to you! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me, you wicked! You worthless! Leave me alone! Leave me, you wicked! Worthless boy! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! There is no smoke without fire. There must be a reason for Alameze to do what he did. We have to find out. I mean, I can't just call this ordinary hatred. No, I refuse to see it that way.
Nigga, my daughter is getting married to that young man tomorrow. No Jupiter will stop it.
Nai, you know she is also my daughter. Whether she's getting married tomorrow or next. All I'm saying is, there must be a reason Alameze did that. I mean, I don't understand why he would just turn so cruel to a man who is supposed to be his in-law. No. We have to do something about it. Adanna, have you discussed any of this with your brother? Or did you discuss anything of such with Obiora?
He attacked Obiora. I will never forgive him for this. I will never.
What? He did what? Why must he do that? Why would he and his useless boys lay hands on my prospective in-law?
Now, what's the meaning of all this now? Let's do something before it gets out of hand. Or is it mad that before I marry Ugegbe? Biko, we should do something, Biko. And then stop crying. Stop.
But why will he do such a thing to his prospective in-law to be? Why? I know your brother is a kind and easygoing man. What happened? What really happened?
I don't know. All he said is that Obiora would never get married to me. That he would rather die than see us get married.
This is a big case. And tomorrow is the traditional wedding in general. What's the meaning of all this? Please, if it's a joke, let it end.
Joke? It's not a joke. It's not a joke. I don't know what to do. But I'm finished. I just want to die. I want to die. Just all our friends are going to laugh at me. All the ashemi that I shared. I don't know what to do. But just leave me. Leave me. I want to die. I want to die. I want to die.
Okay, Anda, stop crying. It's okay. Calm down.
Oh yeah, wait. Imagine my own wedding. My blood brother is the one that wants to stop. What did I do to him?
I understand.
I love Obiora. I must get married to him. I love him. I love him. Leave me. I want to die. Stop touching me. Leave me.
Please.
I want to die. I want to die.
Please come.
Alameze, if I may ask, why should you send those miscreants you call your boys to attack my prospective son-in-law?
What we did to him was not enough. I'll kill him. That's fine. I'll find that boy. He will not get married to my sister. I will shoot him in the head. That's how this whole thing will end.
Now, let me make it clear to you. If I see your legs, your two legs cross my compound, your two legs cross my compound, you know that I'm your father. Why would you behave like a mad dog? Don't you know that that boy is my prospective in-law? He's getting married to your kid's sister, Adanna.
If you were not my father, I would have told my boys to throw you out right now.
What?
You heard me.
What?
I made my point very clear. Whatever you call him, that bastard, he will not get married to my sister. Before that happens, he'll be dead. I'll confirm that.
Obiora, what is going on? What is it that I'm hearing?
Nothing.
Did you say nothing?
I must get married to Adanna. And nothing is going to stop me tomorrow. Nobody.
Please, can you tell us what has transpired between you and Adanna's elder brother? He even attacked me here in your own house. Please! Tell us so that we can resolve it. That's why we are here.
Yes, please put us in the know so that we can resolve this.
Nothing! This is nothing!
I must get married to Odana tomorrow. And no one, I repeat, no one is going to stop me.
Look, this is serious. How can they reject us? I thought they've already accepted to be our in-laws. Why now?
It's like you did not hear what the Onowu said. He said his son, the one that came from Indonesia, said Obiora will never marry his younger sister. Ejofo, I smell a rat. Those two men have skeletons in their cupboards.
Ojuku, you are not far from the truth. In fact, you may be right. Come to think of it, both men lived in the same city, the same country. We might need to ask our brother Obiora to explain to us the reason behind the recent reaction from these people. There must be something snitchy that they are not telling us. Something is really behind. They are not telling us anything.
No, I think you have to come in here.
Do you know the worst thing?
No.
Obiora said, dead or alive, he must marry Adana, whether the brother likes it or not.
Fire on the mountain.
What did Alamize say? Did he agree?
Agree on what? Do I need anybody's opinion before I give out my daughter's hand in marriage? No, you should stop that. Anyway, I know what to do.
Maybe he wants to give one of his rich friends to marry Adana. You never can tell.
No, I don't want that nigga. This young man has paid for everything as far as I'm concerned in this matter. By the way, where is Adana?
It's obvious my elder brother doesn't want us to get married. Tomorrow is the date we are meant to receive blessings from my family. Obi, please. I need you to tell me the truth. And nothing but the truth. Do you know my brother in Indonesia? Did you both engage in any form of business? Okay, please say something. My heart is bleeding. Please. I'm just in fear. Please say something. See, please, anything you say, I'm going to believe you. I will. And we'll both get married. Please.
Relax, darling. We are getting married tomorrow.
You are not saying anything. What is
going on? Why are the both of you being difficult? Why?
I just asked you to relax. I promise you I will take care of that. And I'm going to make sure this is sorted out. I will make sure of that.
Why we're having this argument. But I've made my point and it's final. Nobody's going to stop me from marrying the love of my life at Dana tomorrow.
Obiora, will you keep quiet? I said, will you keep quiet? Can you imagine? Are we here for child's play? See, you better go in there and get ready. We must try this matter with your in-laws today. Can you imagine this?
Obiora, I think the best thing for you to do is to listen to your uncle. Go in and do the needful. It is the best thing. Listen to your uncle.
Our people say, it is not only a dead man that you adjust the head. The living can also be adjusted when the head is placed on the wrong position. And when a child is crying and pointing finger at a particular position, it is either the mother is there or the father is there. So please, let us resolve this issue now, because we no longer have time.
Is that why I'm here?
Yes, of course. We are all here as a family to ask you so that you give us reason behind your actions.
Bro, you have always loved my peace. You've always want the best for me. You always want the best for me. You promise to always make me happy. Why do you want to shut down the only thing that will forever bring happiness to me? Please, I love Obiora. Please don't do this to me. Please, I love him.
Ada, you can't love a beast.
Huh? But that beast is your friend.
Amazing. Please listen to your sister. Okay? Listen to her. Stop crying.
My brothers, please, let's, I wouldn't want what happened there to repeat itself here. Please, let's find how to resolve this issue. Please, amicably. Ada?
Yes, Daddy.
Your brother is out. You can go and call him my son-in-law, please.
Please, Daddy.
My elders, with all due respect, I honor this invitation because of the regards and respect I have for you all. My case with Alamis here is a matter of life and death. Exposing myself to this atmosphere will be putting myself and my humble entourage in harm's way. On that note, I demand to take my leave now.
Thank you. Please. We crave indulgence. Could you please tell us a bit of what transpired between you and my son?
I will not say much.
Odogwu pụta obodo edeluju onye ọbụla nwebe aṅụrị n'ife adịgo mma emezi ya izie ọ na-eme mmiri nwoke bụ nkụma Eshambọga opichiri ụzọ na Jakarta eze nkụ Eshambọga onye ji ego nwere ebube chakwanụ n'ụzọ Eshambọga shawama ụmụ nwa nke obodo niile na-afụ n'anya nkụ eze nkụnụ chakwanụ n'ụzọ na onye ji ego na-aga n'ụzọ onye nkụ ifisi ise ntaraji ọ dịkwa egwu ndị mmadụ nnenenezi nlekwanụ nwoke his generosity na why everybody dance ya n'ogogo Messiah is here onye ọbụla nwebe aṅụrị n'ife adịgo mma Messiah is here ọ na-eme na mmiri nwoke bụ nkụnụ mekwa na onye ga-abata obodo nụ onye ọbụla nwebe aṅụrị n'ife adịgo mma Messiah is here ọ na-eme na mmiri nwoke bụ nkụnụ Eshambọga opichiri ụzọ na Jakarta eze nkụnụ onye nkụ Eshambọga onye ji ego nwere ebube chakwanụ n'ụzọ Eshambọga shawama ụmụ nwa nke obodo niile na-afụ n'anya nkụ eze nkụnụ chakwanụ n'ụzọ na onye ji ego na-aga n'ụzọ onye nkụ opichiri ụzọ banye odogwu Eshambọga na Jakarta eze nkụnụ ọ na-eme na bele zili
I've told you times with that number. I've told you, let's eliminate this guy once and for all. But you will not listen to me. You will not listen to me. Ibo, Alanko, Afana Chiego, one na Jakarta. It is quite soft, Nanka. It is quite soft. Eh? How can he be walking around with your money in his pocket? Neko. Udeya Adiro.
You will not understand. You will not understand. I love my sister so much. If not, I would have killed that guy. I love my sister, but he will not get married to my sister. I have other plans for him.
Hey, that is great. That is great you have plans. That is beautiful you have plans, because the bitter truth here is that anybody will fuck up will collect. Normally. Nah.
Officers, how can I help you?
I'm Inspector Momo. There is a report against you at the station, so we need you at the station for explanation.
All right. I'll be down shortly.
See you.
I, Nduka Ekwedike, the owner of this community, will never step my foot in that compound again until I am sure that the whole thing has been resolved. Yes.
How can you say a thing like that? How can you say a thing like that? You are my only uncle, the only relative I have. Why would you tell me you will not come with me to go get my wife?
Yes, because of my life. After all I saw today, supposing that boy shoot you in the head.
You won't dare. You will never dare. My boys were there. My lions were there. Besides, his parents are on our side.
Never. I said never. Come, Obiora. You've not told me what you did to that monster. Let it not be what I'm thinking, because that same boy returned for me to this side where he came from. I will not go back to that military zone. Never.
Well, uncle, I told you. I will take care of this. I will have it sorted out. You have to trust me. Okay?
Obiora, why did you want to gamble with my life? Why? Like I said, I am not going there.
Fine, uncle. Fine! You can go your way.
Better. Better! What am I even doing here? Staying here is riskier than going to that place. Nonsense.
Yes. Were you able to get a flight for me? All right, good. I'll be with you within the next hour. I'll make a transfer to you immediately so you can sort out the rest of the boys. Good. Let's go.
Release my son, oh! Release him for me, oh! I'm talking to you now, you don't want to listen to me. Release my son for me, oh! You have to release my son for me. Tell your father to release my son for me.
Now we have started the wedding.
There will be no wedding here.
Says
if my son is not released,
says who?
Release him for me.
Mommy, calm down now. Just take it easy.
Tell him to release your brother now. My son is back. Now, you know that go.
What are you doing here? I thought I told the police not to release you.
How? No.
You arrested me, father. You arrested your own son because of a stranger.
I have to. I have to. You didn't tell me what transpired between you and my son-in-law.
That bastard duped me. He took almost everything. And I mean almost everything that belonged to me. I picked up that boy from the streets. I picked him from the gutters. He had nothing. No dime to his name. Was a nobody. I looked at him. I took pity on him. Because we speak the same language. I took him to my home. I gave him shelter. I gave him food. I gave him clothes. I introduced him to my wife. And then I put him in my business. He was heading my business. I introduced that bastard to all my clients. And I mean all. How did he pay me back? How did that bastard you want to marry, how did he pay me back? He tried to sleep with my wife. And mama. Answer me. And tell me the truth, Father. You are a titled man. Will you allow your fellow man, big or small, will you allow it, Father? My wife kept on telling me. My wife kept telling me that bastard was making attempts on her. I didn't believe it. Because I loved him. Because I trusted him. I believed he would never, ever do such a thing. I trusted him with my life. Until one day, I was in my house in Jakarta. The police broke into my house and arrested me.
Jesus.
What did I do? Nothing. What did they say that I did? They said I was into drugs. That bastard you want to get married to set me up. He framed me. He told everybody, told the law enforcement that I was into drugs and I was arrested. To make matters worse, he came to court and he testified against me with fake evidence. Father, I went to prison for 5 years.
That period, you hardly called your father.
5 good years I was in prison. I lost everything. I lost everything. And I mean everything. He started selling my cars. He sold my cars. He sold my property. He stole my money. Millions of dollars. That bastard went away with my money. I had nothing. If not for God and for my wife, I would have died in prison. But because God loves me, because of the help of my wife, I came out of prison after 5 years. Because I was always giving my wife some money to save, to keep for rainy days. That was how I bounced back. Because my wife kept all that money, I started from scratch. Because God loves me, I started my business again. I started growing, step by step, little by little. With the help of God, I bounced back. I became the man that you are seeing today. I became Alankona Jakarta.
Agora mujo. Organ.
So seated right here, right before me, 3 of you. Tell me the truth. Are we going to allow that rapist, that ingrate, that bastard, that criminal? Are we going to allow such a person to get married to my only sister? Huh?
Mama,
I have only one request, Father. Just one. Look at me, Ada. Just one request. The other bastard to me. Hand him over to me, and I will put a bullet in his head. That's all.
They call me Alankona Jakarta. Echimiwe better but for a reason. If I bala no selika, man no Mwamuku be a bulego. The battle line is strong. I no get joy again.